Hey guys, it's Jessica Peterson here. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting this free video. I'm super excited you did because today I'm going to show you 3 tips you can start applying right away, and it's going to make a huge difference in your business. And I know that it will because we've applied these same strategies with over 50 other companies just like yours across the US, and it's made a huge significant difference. Okay, right now you're getting about 76 people on average to your website per month, and majority of that are people actively searching for you by name. Okay, 90% of people, when they need help, they don't know who you are, so they're not going to be searching for you by name. They're going to be searching for the service they need. So that tells me that you're missing out on more than 70% of potential jobs every month by not having these strategies in place, okay? So today we're going to talk 3 main things. We're going to talk about your content keyword strategy, your citations, and your backlinks, okay? So here we are on your website. You got a good basic foundation for your website, which is good. Let's say we got click to call phone numbers, which is good. We got a call out here that helps with trust. Let's see. Google requires separate pages for all your major services. Looks like you do have that, which is good. When it comes to ranking a website, content is key. You do need a lot of content, and that includes having these separate pages. Google wants separate pages for every service, so that entire page is just dedicated to that service and the keywords related to that local service, okay? It is also recommended to have separate service area pages, which it looks like these are. It says locations, but I'm assuming those are service areas. So having these pages allows you to target that specific area for all of your services. So as long as these are all original pages or no duplicate, then you can be indexed for keywords and Google can begin to rank them, okay? So now Google does not rank based on appearance. How your website appears, while it is important, it is not really truly a ranking factor. Content is the biggest thing, so you need a ton of written content. Also want to make sure that all your images are optimized with those local keywords, okay? Let's see. Can we look at one of these? Let's see. Save as. Best restoration company in Texas. I mean, I guess that is a keyword, but I would be focused on the local keywords. When companies are searching for restoration company over water damage restoration, when they're searching restoration companies, those are more informational searches. They're trying to learn something. They're trying to gather information, okay? But when people are searching buyer intent keywords like water damage restoration, water removal, mold removal, those are buyer intent. So our website needs to be focused on those buyer intent keywords. We need to, this homepage here, like I said, is the most important page of your website because it ties all of your pages together. So you do need to have summaries of all of these major services and those local keywords. So if you're based in San Antonio, you do San Antonio. If you're based in Houston, you do Houston. Looks like we're in Houston. So this homepage and all your service pages need to be focused on the local keywords for Houston. Google is sending crawlers to your website, which are like little mini robots, and it scans all of this text, all of these images to learn about the services you offer and where you offer them. So when you don't have the right content and keyword strategy, you don't have enough content, Google cannot index you, cannot index those keywords because they don't understand what's going on. There's no keywords. And without that, they cannot possibly send customers to your website, okay? So this page here, this homepage, needs at least 1,500 words or more of content. Having blog articles is awesome. You absolutely want that. That adds new and fresh content every single month, which Google loves, okay? So have long form blog content, but you also need the right content on your homepage and service pages and service area pages. Now, when we look at your competition, your top competitor in Houston is SERVPRO. And yes, they are a franchise, but they're also beatable. You're not competing as an entire franchise, just the ones in your service area. And most of these franchises, especially this one, I've worked with many SERVPRO franchisees, so I know they are not allowed to modify this written content in any way. So they get what they have. So they cannot modify this to focus on a strategy to get customers, okay? They're stuck with what they have. So you have an advantage. All you have to do is better than what they're doing, okay? So that means more content, see how many words they have? You need more than they have. More written content, more long form blog articles, and really dial in that keyword strategy and make sure it's not just generic information, that you're actually giving helpful, useful information. That's going to be key, okay? Now, your customers, when they do a search, we know they're going to do a search similar to this. And when they do, there's 3 main spots on the first page of Google that your website can show up and have good position in, meaning being towards the top of the first page, okay? The first is generally going to be ads. Those are cost per clicks and local service ads. And this can be extremely profitable for you guys if that's what you want to do, as long as you have your systems dialed in and you have the proper landing pages built out and you're not just sending people to your main website, okay? If you don't have those dialed in, then this becomes more of a money pit. You need to fix those first, okay? Now, these next 2 sections get the bulk of the traffic. So this section here, this is your Google Map Pack, okay? Or your Google My Business profile. Your goal is to be in the top 3 because 30% of people will skip everything else and they come right to this map pack and they'll call one of these 3 or all of these 3 businesses, okay? And so if you're not here, you're leaving money on the table and you're sending all of those jobs to your competitors. So in order to get in this top spot, you do have to optimize this profile and you need to get a bunch of citations. You'll need more than your competition has, okay? And citations are simply listing the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like the Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Glassdoor, Angie's, House. Even your social media profiles are citations. So you need a lot more of those citations than your competition has, okay? And then this last section here, this is your organic section. This is where 60 to 70% of people come. And so it is absolutely critical that your website be showing up here to start capturing that traffic. When it's not, you're losing 60 to 70% of the jobs each and every month, okay? So in order for your website to show up here, it comes back to the foundation of this website. Is it properly built and optimized with the right content and keyword strategy? And then having that supported with your SEO backlinks, okay? So this is Ahrefs, a paid tool that tells us how your website is performing. We can see here you have a rating of a 24 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is pretty decent, okay? Most companies have really, really low scores. So this is pretty decent, so good job. Now this score is Google's trust within your website. And that has to do somewhat with your website, but more so the power you're sending to it. And that power comes from backlinks, okay? Your website is a tool, and like all tools, they require power, and we do that with backlinks. So you get credit for one backlink per referring domain. Anything other than that is kind of considered spam. And it's important to understand that not all backlinks are created equal. You only want good quality. Do follow links that are closely related to the services you offer. So they should be coming from other home service business websites, vendors, directories, etc. Okay? So you need a lot of backlinks. You need more than your competitors and better quality. Okay? Now you have actually been indexed for 112 keywords, but you're only getting 76 people on average to your website. And when we look, almost all of that traffic is coming from your brand. So the brand is absolutely important. But that means that you're missing out on the other 90% of people that are actively searching for the services themselves because they don't know you yet. Okay, so you have to focus on those local keywords. When we look at SERVPRO, we don't care about this because you're not competing against the entire website, only this one area, and they have a 4.5. They're not doing any backlinks or anything, but they have been indexed for 90 keywords, and because of this power of their website, they're actually able to rank those keywords. When your website has high power, it can push the power to those back pages. So because the website is powerful, it's able to help rank these keywords, which is driving them over 1,600 people to their website each and every month. And when we look at those keywords, we can see they are in the top position. There's 10 spots per page on Google, and the higher you rank, the more of that traffic you're going to get. So this one here, Water Damage Restoration Houston, gets 600 searches per month. And they're getting 234 of that because they're in the second position. So typically at the highest position you can get 35 to 40%. So they're getting most of that, okay? So if you want to capture this traffic in the area that you serve, you have to focus on these strategies. Is SERVPRO beatable? Absolutely, but you have to dial in those strategies and then support your website with SEO, okay? So please feel free to take this information, run with it, apply it yourself, and start helping more people. But if you'd rather focus on what you do best and have a partner in this, go ahead and give us a call at Peterson SEO because it's our specialty, and we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. So please feel free to reach out, ask questions, schedule an appointment, give us a call. We would be happy to chat. You can also reply to my email. And I would love to get feedback on your thoughts on this video so we can continue to make them better. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I do look forward to hearing from you soon.